Hi everyone. In this lecture, we have to discuss about the practice MCQs of electrochemical cell. First MCQ is in an electrolytic cell. The electrode at which the electrons enters the solution is called. And next MCQ is the chemical change that occurs at this electrode is called. Now there are four options. We know that, and answer of this question is the cathode, option number 3, that is a cathode and oxidation, because electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell, those are the two opposite concepts. Okay, and in the electrochemical cell, at the anode the oxidation is takes place, and at the cathode the reduction is takes place. So when the electrons enters in the solution, then the then oxidation is takes place in the electrolytic cell. Okay, and the electrolytic cell, the oxidation is takes place at the cathode, means what, these are the two opposite concepts. So answer of this question is option number 3, that is a cathode oxidation. Then next MCQ is the electric energy has a unit. We know that the electric energy has a unit is volt coulomb. 1 volt coulomb is equal to 1 joule, and 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 erg is equal to 0.2390 calories. Okay, and 1 calories is equal to 4.184 volt coulomb, means electrical energy has a unit is volt coulomb. So answer of that question is option number 1. Then third MCQ is the Western saturated standard cell at 25 degrees Celsius provides. Answer of that question is 1.01807 volt, because the potential of Western saturated standard cell is remaining constant for many years. So option number 3 is a correct one. Then the fourth MCQ is in the de-electronation process dash is takes place. We know that the de-electronation means what? The loss of electron. Okay, loss of electrons means what? The oxidation is takes place. So answer of that question is the oxidation of metal atom. Then in a Daniell cell dash. Answer of that question is option number first, because the Daniell cell is example of electrochemical cell. Okay, and in the electrochemical cell, the chemical energy is converted into the electrical energy. So answer option number first is correct answer. These options we can exclude. Then next MCQ is a galvanic cell has a electrical potential 1.1 volt if an opposite potential of the 1.1 volt is applied to the cell, and what will happen to the cell reaction and current flowing through the cell. So answer of that question is the reaction stop and no current flows through the cell. This option is a correct option, because when the opposite force is applied, okay, so the 1.1 volt minus 1.1 volt 1 volt is equal to 0. So reaction is stopped at this situation, and there is no current flow through the cell. So option 1 is a correct answer, and we can exclude this another 3 options. The next MCQ is the internal reference electrode in the glass electrode is. In the glass electrode, there are 2 reference electrode. First is the internal and second is the external. External reference electrode in the glass electrode is SCE, that is saturated calomel electrode. So the AgCl electrode is the internal reference electrode. So answer of that question is option number 2, that is a AgCl, means silver chloride electrode. This is the reference electrode. And net electrical work is given by, okay, net electrical work is equal to minus delta G. Okay, here delta G is given, so this option we can exclude. We know that delta G is equal to minus NFE. Okay, so the net electrical work is equal to minus delta G. means what? NFE. So we got the answer NFE. So answer of that question is option number 3, that is NFE. Then next MCQ is, the standard hydrogen electrode has a zero potential. Okay, answer of that question is, the electrode potential is assumed to be 0. Then next question is, in a galvanic cell, the salt bridge. We know that the application of salt bridge is to stop the diffusion of ion from the one electrode to the another electrode, or the avoid. We know that the when we put the salt bridge into the galvanic cell, this avoid the diffusion. Avoid the diffusion means what? This stop the diffusion from one electrode to the another electrode. So option number 2 is the correct one. This is the answer of that question. Then next MCQ is, the difference between the electrode potential of the two electrode when there is no current is drawn through the cell is called. The answer of that question is cell EMF. Next question, the Daniell cell is. The Daniell cell is the primary cell. Okay, but when we apply the opposite voltage to that cell, so this is when we apply the opposite voltage to the cell. So we got the option number 4 is the correct one, that is the primary reversible cell. So the Daniell cell is the primary reversible cell. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then in a Daniell cell, the reaction occur at, we know that the Daniell cell is nothing but the example of a electrochemical cell. Okay, and at the anode, reduction is occur at the cathode in the electrochemical cell. So answer of that question is, cathode means what? Positive electrode. So answer of that question is option number 4, that is a positive electrode. Then in the Nernst equation, the constant 0.059 at 298 Kelvin represent the value of, okay, here 2.303 into RT upon F. Okay, so here we have to put the value R is equal to 8.314 and T is equal to 298 and F is equal to 96500. So we got the value 0. After putting this value in this equation, we got the value 0.059. So answer of the option of that question is 2.303 RT upon F. Okay, so this one is correct one. Then the concept of electrode potential is explained on the basis of option number 3, that is Nernst theory. Then electrochemical cells stop the working after some times because the electrode potential. Answer of that question is option number 2, that is the electrode potential of the both electrodes becomes equal. So electrical same cell stop working after some time. Then in a galvanic cell, the electrons flow from, we know that this is the example of electrochemical cell. So here is the anode, this is the galvanic cell, here is the anode at the left hand side and here is the cathode at the positive side. So here reduction is takes place and here oxidation is takes place, and electron is flow from left hand side to right hand side, means what? Electrons is flow from anode to the cathode through the external circuit. This is the external circuit. So answer of that question is option number 4, that is anode to cathode through the external circuit. That is, this is this external circuit. The next question is, in the electrolytic cell, the flow of electron is from. Electrolytic cell is the opposite concept to that of a electrochemical cell. Okay, so in the electrolytic cell, the electron is flow from the cathode to the anode, because in the electrochemical cell, electron is flow from the anode to cathode. So in the electrolytic cell, electron flow from the cathode to anode. So option number 3 is the correct one. Then last question is, in the standard notation for a voltaic cell, the double vertical line represent. Okay, answer of that question is a salt bridge. Double vertical lines shows the salt bridge. Thanks all of you. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.